Hey guys, welcome back to the channel. Whether you're here to compare apps, learn something new, or just stay updated, you're in the right place. Let's jump straight into it. Alright guys, welcome back to the channel. Today, we're going to walk through how to check your transaction history with Wells Fargo in 2025. Whether you're tracking your spending, reviewing recent deposits, or preparing for tax seasons, accessing your transaction history is straightforward. To get started, sign in to your Wells Fargo account through the Wells Fargo online banking portal or the Wells Fargo mobile app. Once logged in, navigate to your accounts section and select the specific account, such as checking, savings, or credit card, for which one you want to view the transaction. From there, you will be directed to the account activity page. Here you can view recent transaction to see a list of your recent and pending transaction for the past 60 to 90 days. Search transactions. Use filters to sort by date, amount, or type. Example like deposits, withdrawals, and checks. The third one is download transaction history. Export your transaction history into formats like CSV or Excel for budgeting or recording keeping purposes. The last one is view checking image. Access detailed copies or for cleared checks by clicking on the check icon next to the transaction. For more details, you can visit Statements and Documents section, where you can access electronic version of your monthly statements. These statements are available up to 7 years for most deposit accounts, allowing you to review a past activity in detail. If you need assistance or encounter any issue, Wells Fargo's customer service is available 24/7 at 1-800-869-3557. Thanks for watching. If this guide helped you navigate your Wells Fargo transaction history, please like, comment your questions, and subscribe for more financial tips and tutorials. Catch you in the next video.